Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name is Amanda and today I am with Andriy and we are going to do a waltz couple routine. We are going to be doing 3 steps. We are going to show you first facing away from the camera, and then the second time we will be facing the camera. We're going to be dancing the steps side by side so you can learn at the same time with your partner. Even if you don't have a partner, you can still learn these steps. Alrighty guys, we're going to start with our first step, which is the box step. So the leaders are going to go forward with their left foot. Followers, we're going to go back with our right foot. Here we go. And step. From here, we have a side together and side together. And now followers, we're going to be going forward with our left foot. Leaders, we're going to be going back with our right foot. And 1, side together. Okay, let's repeat this. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, now we're going to repeat the same step, but we're going to be facing you this time. We have and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Continue. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Last time. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Alrighty guys, moving on to our second step, we are going to do a slow underarm turn. So let's face the back. Alrighty, we're going to start with our first part of our step is half of the box step. So let's do half of a box. And 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to go over the follower steps. We are going to start with our left foot going forward, and we're going to continue walking around forward, turning to our right. Here we go. And left, right, left, and we continue curving around right, left, right, and from here we do half of a box with our left foot going forward and forward, side, together. Now, we're going to go over the leader steps. So, we do half of a box and 1, 2, 3. Leaders, raise up that left arm, indicating for the follower that they're going to turn and go underneath. You're going to continue doing a box step. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. Continue the box. 1, 2, 3, and continue the box. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it one more time. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. All right, now we're going to do the same step, but facing you guys. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Last but not least, we are going to do our underarm turn. We are going to start with a full box. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. From here, we are going to step to the side and cross our foot behind. 1, 2, replace 3. We're going to do the same thing again, side, cross behind, and replace. 1, 2, 3. From here, The leader, you are going to do the same thing. You're going to lift up that left arm indicating the turn. You're going to do side cross behind and replace. And followers, we are going to step to the side and turn. 1, 2, 3. And now last step, we're going to do side, together, replace. Side, together, replace. Alrighty guys, let's try it again. We have full box. 1, 2, 3. 1, side and cross. 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna turn. 1, 2, 3, side and together. And one more time, full box. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, side and cross. 1, 2, 3. 1. Now we turn. 1, 2, 3, side and together, and stop. Now we're going to be doing the same step, but facing you guys. Here we go. Full box first. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, side and cross. 1, 2, 3. 1. Now we turn. 1, 2, 3, side and together. Let's repeat one more time. Box. 1, 2, 3. And now side and cross. 1, 2, 3. 1. Now we turn. 1, 2, side and together, and stop. Alrighty, it's time to put all of our steps together. We're going to start with our box step. We are going to do 2 full boxes. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to go into that slow underarm turn, half a box. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Now our normal underarm turn, 1, 2, 3, 1, to the side. Here we go, side and cross, side. Now turn, 1, 2, 3, side and together, and done. Okay guys, we're gonna be doing the routine facing you. Here we go. 2 full boxes, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Again, 2, 3. Slow underarm turn, half a box, and now we turn, and 1, 2, 3, and 1. Now underarm turn, full box, and side and cross. Here we go. Side, cross, and side, cross, turn, turn, and together, and stop. Alrighty guys, now it's finally time to dance it together. We have, and 2 box steps, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and now we do the slow underarm turn, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, underarm turn, and 1, 2, 3, 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 and 1, 2, 3. Now we are going to face the other direction. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, full box again. 1, 2, 3, and 1. And slow underarm turn. 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1. Underarm turn. 1, 2, 3, and 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 1, 2, 3. Alrighty guys, now we are going to try it with music. To make this routine a little bit more interesting, you can turn the box, which we will demonstrate for you now. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.